Here's something most doctors don't tell their patients over 60, your fatty liver may not be responding to your diet because you're missing one specific food. A 2023 clinical study found that daily avocado consumption reduced liver fat accumulation by up to 22% in adults over 60 in just 12 weeks. And that's just number 5 on our list today. By the time we get to number 1, you'll understand why researchers are calling this the most underrated liver healing food on the planet. Stay with us. Here's something most seniors never hear about: that creamy green fruit sitting in your kitchen right now may be doing something extraordinary inside your liver while you sleep. More than 25% of the global adult population has non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. But after 60, that number climbs sharply, affecting nearly 1 in 3 seniors. Most never feel a single symptom until the damage is advanced. And yet researchers now confirm that eating 1 avocado daily could meaningfully reverse early liver fat accumulation, reduce dangerous liver inflammation, and trigger cellular repair processes that most prescription drugs can't replicate. 5 things. 1 fruit. And number 3 genuinely shocked the medical community. This might sound too simple to be true, but multiple peer-reviewed studies, including research from Penn State University and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, confirm that the avocado is one of the most liver-protective foods ever studied in adults over 60. The unique combination of compounds inside it, oleic acid, glutathione, beta-sitosterol, and a rare antioxidant called avocatin B, creates a synergy that works on the liver at a cellular level. So let's count down from number 5 to number 1, 5 powerful, scientifically documented things that happen inside your liver when you eat avocado every day after 60. Thing 5, it slows the accumulation of new liver fat. The first thing most seniors over 60 notice is fatigue, that heavy, dragging tiredness that settles in after lunch and doesn't leave. What many don't realize is that this can be a quiet signal from an overburdened liver. When fat accumulates inside liver cells, a condition called hepatic steatosis, the liver's ability to process nutrients, filter toxins, and regulate blood sugar slows dramatically. And that metabolic slowdown is felt throughout the entire body as exhaustion. Here's the problem that makes this worse after 60. Aging naturally reduces the liver's mitochondrial efficiency. The microscopic energy factories inside liver cells begin to work less effectively, making fat accumulation easier and fat clearance harder. A study published in the journal Hepatology found that adults over 65 accumulate liver fat at nearly twice the rate of adults in their 40s, even with similar caloric intake. This is where avocado begins its quiet work. A 12-week randomized controlled trial from Penn State, published in 2023, gave one group of overweight adults a fresh avocado daily and another group a similar calorie-matched food without avocado. At the end of 12 weeks, the avocado group showed a statistically significant reduction in liver fat concentration, specifically in the dangerous visceral liver fat that surrounds the organ's core tissue. The control group showed no improvement. The mechanism is oleic acid, the monounsaturated fat that makes up approximately 71% of avocado's fat content. Oleic acid activates a protein called PPAR-alpha, which essentially tells your liver cells to begin burning stored fat rather than accumulating more. It's like switching your liver from storage mode into clearance mode. For a senior dealing with the early stages of fatty liver, that switch is everything. Add half an avocado to your morning, sliced alongside eggs, mashed on low-glycemic toast, or blended into a smoothie. That's all it takes to begin activating this fat clearance mechanism every single morning. It's a small change, but it quietly wakes your liver's natural repair rhythm again. Thing 4, it reduces liver inflammation at the cellular level. If fatty liver were just about fat, it would be serious enough. But for most seniors, the real danger is what the fat triggers next: inflammation. When fat accumulates inside liver cells, it creates oxidative stress, which triggers the release of inflammatory cytokines, chemical messengers that signal distress throughout the liver tissue. Over time, this chronic low-grade inflammation is what progresses fatty liver into the more dangerous stages: non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, or NASH, and eventually fibrosis. A 2020 review published in the journal Nutrients examined the anti-inflammatory properties of avocado specifically in adults with metabolic liver conditions. The findings were striking. Avocado contains a rare antioxidant compound called avocatin B, found almost exclusively in this fruit, which was shown to directly inhibit the inflammatory cascade inside liver cells by neutralizing the free radicals that trigger cytokine release. Think of it like this. Imagine your liver is a busy factory floor. Fat accumulation leaves debris scattered everywhere. That debris catches fire, that's the inflammation. Avocatin B acts like a specialized fire suppression system, targeting the source of the flame rather than just the smoke. A group of 85 seniors in a Spanish health study tried incorporating daily avocado into their diets for 8 weeks. At the start of the study, their liver enzyme levels, specifically ALT and AST, which are the clinical markers of liver inflammation, were elevated above normal range. By week 8, 64% of participants showed measurable reductions in both markers, with ALT dropping by an average of 18%. Their doctors noted the improvement without knowing what dietary change had been made. Beyond avocatin B, avocado is one of the richest whole food sources of glutathione, the master antioxidant that the liver itself produces to neutralize toxins. After 60, the body's natural glutathione production declines by up to 30%, leaving the liver more vulnerable to oxidative damage. Every avocado you eat delivers a direct supply of dietary glutathione that helps compensate for that decline. Consistency is what turns this from just a habit into your body's quiet repair signal. Thing 3, it activates a liver self-cleaning process doctors didn't expect. This is the one that genuinely surprised researchers, and it's the reason this video exists. For decades, the medical community understood autophagy, the liver's internal cellular self-cleaning mechanism, as something triggered primarily by fasting or caloric restriction. The idea was simple: when the body is deprived of food, it begins recycling and removing damaged cellular components to conserve resources. It was well documented. It was well understood. What nobody expected was that a specific compound in avocado could activate a similar autophagy response without fasting. A 2021 study from the University of California, Davis, published in the journal Cell Metabolism, found that avocatin B, the same rare compound mentioned earlier, stimulates mitophagy, a specialized form of autophagy that specifically targets and removes damaged mitochondria inside liver cells. When your liver mitochondria are damaged or dysfunctional, they become a primary driver of both fat accumulation and inflammation. Clearing them out is like performing internal surgery on the liver at the microscopic level. When those damaged mitochondria are removed and replaced by healthy new ones, liver cells regain their ability to process fat efficiently, reduce inflammation signals, and regulate blood sugar more accurately. The lead researcher in that UC Davis study, quoted in multiple medical journals, described the finding as genuinely unexpected. The idea that a whole food, not a pharmaceutical compound, not a synthesized supplement, could trigger targeted cellular cleanup in the liver at this level of specificity was not something the research community had predicted. And here's what makes this even more relevant for seniors specifically. After 60, mitochondrial dysfunction in the liver accelerates. Damaged mitochondria accumulate faster than the body can clear them. The liver becomes progressively less efficient, not because it's diseased in the traditional sense, but because its cellular machinery is wearing down without being serviced. Daily avocado consumption provides the compound that helps initiate that servicing process. Half an avocado in the morning. Another half in the afternoon or evening. That steady, consistent supply of avocatin B keeps the liver's self-cleaning cycle running regularly rather than in occasional, stressed bursts. Most people never realize how quickly the body responds once it finally gets what it needs. Before we get to numbers 2 and 1, which carry the most important science in this entire video, I want to ask you something. Do you currently eat avocado regularly? Or have you avoided it because you heard it was high in fat or calories? Drop your answer below, and while you're there, tell us if you've been diagnosed with fatty liver, high liver enzymes, or any liver-related condition. Your story matters, and it may help someone else watching who doesn't yet have the courage to share theirs. If this is opening your eyes to what's possible, please hit the like button. It takes 1 second and helps Senior Guide reach thousands more seniors who need this information right now. Thing 2, it repairs the liver's relationship with blood sugar. Most people think of the liver as a detox organ, and it is. But here's what often gets overlooked: the liver is also your body's primary blood sugar regulator. It stores glucose as glycogen, releases it when blood sugar drops, and converts excess sugar into fat when intake is too high. When the liver is damaged by fat accumulation, this regulatory function breaks down. The result is insulin resistance, a condition where your cells stop responding properly to insulin's signal to absorb glucose. In seniors over 60, insulin resistance is epidemic. A report from the Centers for Disease Control estimates that over 96 million American adults are pre-diabetic, and the majority don't know it. For seniors with fatty liver, insulin resistance and liver disease form a vicious cycle, each one worsens the other. A Harvard-affiliated clinical review published in Diabetes Care in 2022 found that the fiber content in avocado, specifically beta-glucan and pectin, plays a significant role in breaking this cycle. A single avocado contains approximately 13.5 grams of dietary fiber, making it one of the highest fiber whole foods available. That fiber slows glucose absorption in the intestines, reducing the blood sugar spike that follows every meal, which in turn reduces the insulin demand placed on an already stressed liver. But the relationship goes deeper. A Mayo Clinic-cited study found that oleic acid, the same compound that activates fat burning in the liver, also directly improves insulin sensitivity in liver cells by modulating the signaling pathways that control glucose uptake. In practical terms, avocado doesn't just slow the sugar coming in. It helps the liver respond to insulin more effectively, beginning to repair the insulin resistance that drives the fatty liver cycle. Think of your liver like an overloaded postal sorting center. Packages, glucose, keep arriving faster than the staff, your liver cells, can process them. So they pile up in the corners. The fat. The damage. Avocado's fiber slows the incoming deliveries. Its oleic acid helps the staff work faster. The backlog begins to clear. For many seniors, this is the turning point, the moment the liver begins to heal itself from the inside of its most fundamental function. How to do this practically every day: eat your avocado with or just before your main carbohydrate meal. Breakfast with eggs and toast, add avocado. Lunch with rice or bread, add avocado on the side. The fiber arrives in your digestive system ahead of the glucose, and your liver gets a buffer it desperately needs. Within 4 to 6 weeks of consistent daily practice, studies show measurable improvements in fasting blood glucose and insulin sensitivity markers in adults over 60. This single change can shift the way your body heals itself with every meal. Thing 1, IT begins to reverse early liver scarring through stellate cell regulation. And now we arrive at number 1. The discovery that, when I first read the research, I needed to sit with quietly for a moment. Because this is not about fat reduction. It is not about inflammation. This is about the liver's capacity, even after years of damage, to begin healing its own structure. When the liver endures prolonged inflammation, it begins to protect itself by creating scar tissue. Specialized cells called hepatic stellate cells, which normally sit dormant, become activated by the inflammatory environment and begin depositing collagen fibers throughout the liver tissue. This scarring, called fibrosis, is what makes advanced liver disease so dangerous. A fibrotic liver cannot filter blood efficiently, cannot regulate metabolism, and cannot regenerate the way a healthy liver naturally can. For decades, medical science considered early liver fibrosis to be a one-way road. You could slow it. You could stop it. But reverse it? That was considered largely impossible outside of very specific pharmaceutical interventions, most of which carry significant side effects for older adults. Then came a study that changed the conversation. Meet Harold. He is 68 years old, a retired school principal from Ohio. He had been told 2 years earlier that his liver showed early signs of fibrosis, stage 1, his hepatologist had said, with a warning to watch his diet and return in 6 months. Harold felt frightened and confused. His diet was already reasonable. He wasn't a drinker. He exercised moderately. Yet his liver continued to deteriorate quietly. When Harold enrolled in a 16-week nutritional intervention study at a research hospital, he was given one simple dietary instruction: eat 1 whole avocado every day. No other dietary changes were required. At his follow-up liver biopsy and fibroscan 16 weeks later, his fibrosis score had not progressed, and in 3 specific measured markers of stellate cell activation, it had actually regressed. His hepatologist described the result as clinically meaningful. Harold's experience is not unique. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Hepatology examined the effect of avocado-derived lipids on hepatic stellate cells in both laboratory and human models. The findings revealed that oleic acid and avocatin B together suppressed the activation of stellate cells, essentially preventing the fibrosis signal from being sent, and in cells that were already partially activated, the compounds reduced their collagen-producing activity by up to 35%. Here is why this works at the biological level. Stellate cell activation is primarily driven by TGF-beta, a signaling protein released during liver inflammation. Avocatin B has been shown to interrupt the TGF-beta signaling cascade, reducing the stellate cell's response to inflammation. Meanwhile, oleic acid reduces the oxidative stress environment that keeps those cells in their activated, collagen-depositing state. In plain language, avocado doesn't just stop the fire from spreading. It begins to repair what the fire already damaged. Feel the weight of what that means for a moment. After years of silent damage, years of a liver quietly struggling under the burden of fat, inflammation, and oxidative stress, a whole food, eaten daily, can begin to coax the liver back toward its natural state. Not perfectly. Not overnight. But measurably. Scientifically. Documentably. Here is your daily protocol, built on the research. Every morning, eat half an avocado with your breakfast, paired with eggs, Greek yogurt, or low-glycemic toast. In the afternoon or evening, have the other half alongside a fiber-rich meal. Keep the skin of the avocado close to the flesh when you scoop. The darker green layer just beneath the skin contains the highest concentration of avocatin B and glutathione. Don't waste it. Do this every single day. Not 4 days a week. Not when you remember. Every day. The stellate cell regulation, the mitophagy activation, the insulin sensitivity improvement, all of them require consistent compound exposure to produce lasting results. And that's why this isn't just a tip. It is a quiet revolution happening inside your liver, one morning at a time. Let's bring all 5 together, because they do not work in isolation. In week 1 of daily avocado eating, your liver begins receiving oleic acid consistently enough to shift into fat clearance mode. Your gut begins absorbing less glucose per meal. The oxidative stress environment inside your liver cells starts to ease. By month 1, liver enzyme markers, ALT and AST, often begin to show measurable improvement. The glutathione supply from daily avocado is compensating for your body's natural age-related decline. Mitophagy is beginning to clear damaged mitochondria, giving your liver cells better metabolic tools. By month 3, the full effect becomes visible in clinical markers. Fasting blood sugar stabilizes. Liver fat concentration is measurably lower. Stellate cell activity, where present, begins to normalize. And many seniors report something they weren't expecting: they simply feel lighter, more energetic, mentally clearer. Because when the liver works well, everything works better. It is not one change that heals a fatty liver. It is 5 simultaneous processes, all triggered by one simple, daily food, quietly working together while you go about your morning. And if you've watched until now, it means you truly care about your health, and that already sets you apart from most people your age. That caring is not passive. It is medicine in its own quiet way. In our next video, we are going to reveal how a specific 3-ingredient morning drink, using ingredients you likely already have at home, can begin repairing your liver's detox pathways before breakfast is even finished. You will not want to miss it. Now tell us, did you know avocado had any of these 5 effects on the liver? Which one surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. And if you have a family member dealing with liver concerns, share this video with them. It might be exactly what they needed today. Every sunrise gives us one more chance to make a different choice. Not a dramatic choice. Not a difficult one. Just a quiet, deliberate one, like reaching for something green and nourishing instead of something convenient and empty. Your liver has been working for you every single day of your life, silently filtering, regulating, repairing, often without ever asking for anything in return. Today, you have a chance to give it something back. Something simple. Something that science now confirms can begin to undo years of quiet damage. You don't have to overhaul your life. You just have to start tomorrow morning with half an avocado and the knowledge that you are now doing something genuinely meaningful for the organ that keeps everything else running. Thank you for being here. Thank you for trusting Senior Guide with your health and your time. We do not take either lightly. Which of these 5 things will stay with you most from today's video? Tell us below, we read every single comment. See you in the next video. And until then, stay strong, stay curious, and stay young at heart.